In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert the subscriber's name in a Moosend email. We'll start right from the beginning. Open your preferred web browser and search for Moosend. In the results, choose the official Moosend website. You'll recognize it by the branding and secure connection. Once the homepage loads, click Log In and sign in with your account credentials. After you land on your dashboard, head to the Campaigns section. This is where all of your email campaigns live. If you're building a new campaign, proceed as usual until you reach the page called Set Basic Settings. If you're editing an existing campaign, open it and go to the same section where you set the subject line and basic details. On the Set Basic Settings page, focus on the subject line field. To personalize the subject with the subscriber's name, look for the personalization tags icon sitting next to that field. It's often a small user silhouette or a tag symbol. Click it to open the list of available personalization options that Moosend pulls from your audience data. From the menu, choose Recipient Name. Moosend will automatically insert the appropriate placeholder into your subject line at the exact cursor position. Place it where it reads most naturally, for example, at the beginning of the subject or after a short greeting, so the line feels conversational and engaging. A few helpful tips as you do this. Personalization works best when your contact list includes first names, so make sure your audience fields are properly mapped before sending. If some contacts don't have a first name, consider adding a default fallback in your account settings, so the subject still reads smoothly for everyone. Keep the subject concise and clear. Combining the name with a straightforward promise or benefit usually boosts open rates without sounding gimmicky. When you're happy with the wording, review the subject for capitalization and spacing around the inserted tag, then continue with the rest of your campaign setup. You can preview or send a quick test to confirm the name appears correctly and adjust placement if something looks off. That's it. You opened Moosend, went to Campaigns, reached Set Basic Settings, clicked the personalization tags icon next to the subject line, and selected Recipient Name. With this simple touch, your emails feel more personal and are more likely to be opened. Thanks for watching, and happy sending.